What is going on, everybody, and welcome to Into My GT Entertainment, and I am Joel. Yep, we are trying a new format, at least trying to do something a little better audio-wise for the channel. So this is kind of a test and a little vlog along the way too. So I'm trying to see what works and what doesn't, so forgive me, and if there's any pointers that y'all have out there for me, just let me know and we'll go from there. So I'll be right back and we'll start this vlog. Well, today I am going to go ahead and wash Electra because she is dirty as I don't know what from the trip back and forth to South Carolina. And on top of that, I just talked to Brandon and them, and they're on the way to Charlotte because the storm is rolling in, and they don't want to be there for it now. So we'll go ahead and see if I can flip this around and show you the car. So hold on real quick. As you can see, that she is gotten a little bit of bugs on her and stuff like that. So we're going to go ahead and, unfortunately, I'm all kinds of lazy. So I'm going to go ahead and take her to the car wash and get her cleaned up a little bit. Yeah, because she's a mess. But for the most part, she did really good on the trip and stuff. Look, I even got bug guts all over there. Anyway, let me flip this around and we'll continue the conversation. Okay. So, like I said, she got all dirty, and she did really good on the trip. She did about 25 miles to the gallon. We had to, every time we stopped to eat or whatever, use the bathroom, I just filled her up just to make sure she had gas in her. But she did real good. Rode like a top, you know. I have no complaints. Didn't do anything funky on me while I was gone. Some of our friends had a little bit of issues here and there, but you know, I think they've gotten it all squared away and they'll be home safe. So we'll continue this when I get to the car wash, or maybe on the way over there. So we'll see you in a few minutes. All right, everyone, I am trying to see if this widening it out. Widening it out. Thank you. Because it has these little bars on the previous video or clips that I just did, so I want to see if this actually full screens it so it makes a whole picture. So yeah, well, that's what we're doing now. And then we're going to go ahead and take the car to the car wash and go from there. We'll see you in a bit. Let's go ahead and give her a start. Yeah, not too bad, not too loud. But yeah, we'll see you in a minute. I think that's pretty cool. So we'll catch you at the car wash. Alright guys, we are now at the car wash. We're about to go floating in here in a second. So we'll go ahead and you can see we're about to jump in there now. So we're going to go ahead and switch to the front and go from there. guys, they are cleaning up my car now as we speak. Just wanted to show you the inner workings of this building. It's Wash Away RVA, and I've come here a few times and they've taken care of my car pretty good. And I know people worry about the scratching and this and the other, but you know, it's part of the deal sometimes. You feel lazy, you got to take the risk, right? So let me show you how this place looks. Like I said, they're pretty nice. Nice little waiting area. You can kind of see as your car goes by, there's nothing going on right now because not that busy. And as you can see, he's been in it for a while. He even has a Mustang. So there you go. And I'll show you some of the stuff. This is the place right here. It's literally around the corner from my house. And then there you go. Car is over there. And I got a couple other things going on. Alright guys, that's what it looks like after they've washed it. I'm going to go back over it with my quick detailer real quick. You know, just to get some of the little spots. I mean, they only do such a good job, especially with the bugs and stuff. But for the most part, it turns out really good. They did a good job on it. Now, I'm surprised my stickers made it, so that's always a good thing. So we'll go ahead and pull in the garage and cool off the garage and start working on it. Alright, we have got her inside. I've got my fan set up, my AC on. She is sitting there behind me. I got to go ahead and clean up over here in the engine bay a little bit, and then just kind of go over the car. Hold on real quick. Like I said, there she is. She's not too terribly bad, you know, just a little touch up here and there where the water dripped on her or whatever, but I'm proud that my letters stayed on there. So, like I said, well, I haven't finished wiping off either, so we'll catch that. But yeah, she is good to go. This side over. Got to clean up here on the hood and stuff. Y'all can't really see it, but it's got some stuff going on up there, just from stuff flying into the opening. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take care of her, and we'll get back with y'all in a little bit. Alright everybody, I'm gonna go ahead and start detailing my car. I know you got tired of me hearing say that, but this is the quick detail I use. It's G Technique. It might be backwards in the picture, it might be right side when I do the video, I don't know. But this is the, I guess, the brand of the ceramic coat on my car. So this is what he told me to use, and it seems to do pretty good. So I don't really have to do too much work to it after the fact. So anyway, let me go ahead and get started, and we'll catch you at the end of this video. Well, there she is, everybody. She's all cleaned up and everything. I'm going to go ahead and put her under the car cover. Now, if this angle looks weird, it's my wide angle. Let me shrink it, see if that looks any better. See, you get all on top of everything if you do. So, but anyway, I do have a question for y'all. With my rear suspension, if you look at this side, with the spacing that I have, and then you go over, sorry, I'm doing some flybys. To this side, there's a noticeable difference in gap. Now, I have adjusted the shocks, put new rear shocks in, that's not what it is. Readjusted the sway bar so it's in neutral position, so there's no pulling on that. But it still has a little more play than the others. Have y'all heard of any, I guess the rear springs giving out or so? Let me switch to the front, hold on. Alright, sorry about that. So have y'all heard of anything with the I-box suspension giving out or not being leveled, or whatever, because I checked it all out and it seems to be fine. But like I said, I don't know. It might have already been that way. I just noticed it here recently. And like I said, I've had that noise in the rear, but I still can't find what that is. But, it's all good, man. It's all good. But we are going to end this video here because I am done. I want to shower, and I'm going to put her under the car cover. So, like I said, we're going to go ahead and see how this video turned out and see if it's better with the noise back and forth and all that good stuff. And remember, the best part of my videos are y'all. I hope y'all have a safe weekend. Hurricane is coming to Richmond now, so, or at least Virginia. So hopefully I can get rid of that thing this week. So we'll catch you on the next video, and have a good one. Peace.